Guys, you made it just in time for me to show you this big truck. Big black truck. BBT, right? BB, is that what they say, BBT? Okay, good. Anyway, Andre's finishing up the ceramic pro coating on this. We did some paint protection down here, and we did some ceramic coating up here. The film already has it built into it, which is nice. We actually did some wrap on the chrome bumpers to try to like help it match, because this came factory chrome. This was like a super stock truck. The owner, Lynn at Pitbull Power Sports, he like super modding this thing out. It is a boss ride. I love it. It's super big. Like, look how big it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, imagine like getting in here. It's probably got some power steps. Oh, there they are. That's right. Nothing but the best. We actually started this a while back, and he's actually putting a lift on it. So it's gonna be even bigger. So that'll be cool. You know what I mean? When you can do it, why not? We tinted the headlights right here. Boom. We did some film and some wrap and some ceramic coating. Oh, and some window tint. Gotta have the black windows. This thing is so sexy. Super duty. Super big truck. We can do a tinting truck. It doesn't have to be this big. It can be a little truck. It can be a slam truck. Be a big truck. We can do it in any truck. We can make it look glossy like this. You can like comb your hair in it. You know what I mean? Or whatever you like to do. You want to get it? Oh yeah. We're ready. We're ready to go on the town. I think he was getting fresh with you. Dakota gets really excited around big trucks. Did we tint the taillights on this? Or maybe he had them tinted. I have no idea. I can't remember. I have no idea, yeah. And we did wrap the rear bumper. So we cleared the front bay out for that. You know, it's gotta be a pretty big project for us to clear the front bay out for one big truck. Look at these big ass wheels. I love this. How about right there? Perfect. That looks about right. Anyway, it's super cool. I wanted you to see it before we shipped it out. It's going out tomorrow, and he's gonna be out bossing around. You'll see this thing cruising down the road. So make sure you check it out. Say, hey, I saw you on Show Me Tint. Hey, let me show you another big truck Hunter's been working on. He's been having such a good time. I always have Hunter work on my special projects. By special, I mean the most pain in the butt projects we can do. Because I like picking on Hunter. Hunter, how's it going out here? It's going good? What do you say? Show it to me. What do you tell the guys to do? Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Right now, Hunter's working on the most glamorous part of the job, which is super hot outside, taking these flares off.
I got my sticker bomb water bottle right around.
Hey, yeah, Show Me Tint sticker on there. Taking these off. Show them your hands. Show them how clean you are. You look super clean today. He even look at this little cut he got on there. Oh, did it hurt? What happened? Why? Anyway, he's been doing a lot of removal on here. You're gonna need to beep some things out on that. I really do pay him to come here so I can pick on him. And he removed these handles. He actually does a pretty decent job. He removed these, removed this, and this had been wrapped before, so it had a bunch of like BS that we had to get rid of. They had a kind of a I'm not going to say a terrible job, but they had a rush job was what I would say. So we're trying to take a little extra time. We're removing the flares. We're not going around them. We're taking more time to give him a quality installation. You know, so he allowed us the time to do that. I think this is going to be a cool project. This guy, I think he's like a coffee espresso on the go or something. Like, what would you call it? Like a disaster coffee relief or something? Something like that. I don't know. Is it stinging still? Stinging a little bit? I think you can get in here somehow and like open it up and like an actual barista comes out. I don't know. I think that actually happens. We'll try it later. They've pretty much got the anti-social wrap real close. The guy's adding a little bit more stuff to it. So the Starlight headliner should be in Wednesday, and which will be cool to see. And we'll get this thing out in the sunlight. It'll kind of lit up here. We're gonna change the seats out and make them this like white leather. We're gonna make the calipers. We're gonna have Mitch over at MC Customs probably do the calipers to match the seats. So that'd be super hip. When you see his work, you're just gonna love it. He's awesome. I was trying to not swear so much, you know, like he's super good at it. Anyway, so we're gonna match the calipers. That's these things. That's what kind of holds your brake pads. We're gonna remove the wheel, tear apart the brake caliper, have it powder coated, put it all back together just to make it match the seats. Now that's kind of car stuff I like to do. When you gotta take a bunch of stuff off just to make it look cool, I'm in. The bumper's pretty much done. I think it's missing just like 2 things. Missing maybe this part over here. Put a couple headlights in there. It'll be ready. Oh yeah. That's good. That'll be fine. You want to go down and see some window tinting? At the end of the day, we may have missed it all. You wanna go see real quick? Andre might be down there. Yeah, let's go check real quick. I think he's got one little project he's working on. Well guys, honestly, my dude Andre, he cleaned up all the tinting already. He knocked them all out. Bam, bam, bam. He's done. We're done. How many cars we tint today, Andre? 100, 1,000, 15 or something? 150? We don't know. All of them. But since we did that, I thought I'd show you this. This is my dude Dakota. He just got a new diesel truck. We're gonna wrap it something cool. He wants to wrap it something. He wants to show us the type of power he just purchased with this diesel. All right, here we go. He said he's gonna light it up for us. Got to show me, Dakota. He says I always miss the best part. No customer cars were harmed during this video. Oh, here we go. Something happening. Oh! That was actually pretty lit. That was actually pretty cool. He did a good job. That was pretty sick. Rock and roll. Show me tint, high five it up. All right, guys, well, we're gonna take off for the day. That's how we close it down here at Show Me Tint. So I'll see you guys next time. All right, see you later. Peace out.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?